The era of the RMS Titanic is long past, but the tragic tale of the unsinkable White Star liner remains the subject of intense public fascination. To some, the Titanic is the most famous and intriguing ship in history. You may be thinking, so what? There have been many great disasters. Some have resulted in a significantly higher death toll and level of damage to property. Now, the big questions are what explains our national obsession with the Titanic, and why do so few historical events grip the heart in the same way? One reason for the Titanic's lasting interest is that her story incorporates all the elements of a classic tragedy, contrasting honor, bravery, fear, faith, and cowardice actions. It is also true that her failure continues to be surrounded by numerous mysteries and controversies, making her the object of fascination of trivia hounds and amateur detectives. None of this, however, explains the intense impact this ship continues to have on the American mind. Historians, today your assignment will be twofold. The first task is to open up the Google Doc and complete the KWL chart. The K in KWL stands for what you know. Under this column, you will list everything you think you know about the Titanic. If you know a lot, then I guess you will be writing a lot. Now, if you don't know much, not to worry, because you're in luck. I will be your personal guide, helping you travel back in time. And I promise that by the end, you will have learned a lot about the Titanic. Now, the W in KWL stands for what I want to learn. In this column, you get the opportunity to list out questions focusing on what you want to learn. That, right there, will help me drive our future lessons to what you folks want to learn. So take the time to think carefully and put them in question form, like, I want to learn about what the Titanic was, or when did the Titanic sink? Now, the L in KWL stands for what I learned. Now, we haven't gotten that far in our stage of learning, so please leave that one blank as we will revisit it later on during the unit. The second assignment is to listen to the story Titanic Lost and Found. When you are finished with the story, you will be tasked with answering questions related to the story. When answering the questions, please be sure to restate the question and then provide enough detail to answer the question thoroughly. If you need to listen to the book again, you can listen to it as many times as you'd like. Let's not wait any longer, though, as every moment of the present is now becoming history. Happy reading, historians. See you soon.